Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. Organization for Welfare and Empowerment have introduced a new channel on YouTube which will help you in education and learning spoken English and various other subjects. This will improve your spoken English as well as your pronunciation and give you more knowledge about your language. We'll be practicing on communication skills, pronunciation, storytelling, picture composition, your voice and accent. Group discussions will be on Zoom classes, so don't forget to join me on my Zoom classes. English speaking for the beginners. The beginners, I will give you some tips. There are 3 steps. If you follow these, you can practice and learn English very easily. Read aloud, shadow reading, and using different apps. This will help you increase in your knowledge as well as you will be able to pronounce different vocabulary words. Now I will explain you what is read aloud. If you read aloud, then your tongue gets used to making a sound in English. You get comfortable saying that words again and again. So when you actually speak in English, it will be easier for you. You will memorize your own pronunciation and you will practice it. So next time when you are at home and you're reading, don't read in your head, read aloud. Now, another thing is shadow reading. You will need a text and an audio for this. Shadow reading is basically you have to have an audio which you listen, and with that audio you're going to speak at the same time. Now the last but not the least, you have to use different apps. By using different apps, you will practice English conversation. So stay tuned with us on our YouTube channel and feel free to join us on our Zoom online classes. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.